Good morning, students. Welcome. Today we are going to start lesson number 1, sources of history. Okay. Till now we have studied the history of ancient, medieval and modern India. This year we have to study the history of the India in the post-independence era. Okay. Sources of modern history are different from those of the ancient and the medieval history. We can study history with the help of the various sources like written sources, material sources and oral sources, and sources in the audiovisual medium. In the modern period, we have to take note of various sources at the regional, state, national as well as the international level. We can write history with the help of these sources. सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री हम लोग लगातार काफ़ी सालों से देखते आ रहे। फर्स्ट लेसन यू हैव द सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री। हिस्ट्री का सोर्सेस क्या है? द रिटन सोर्सेस, लिखा हुआ जो पहले लिखे हुए कुछ हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड चीज़ें वो। देन इज़ द ओरल सोर्सेस, जो ज़बानी एक दूसरे को स्प्रेड करते हुए बोलते हुए हम लोग ने अभी तक सुने हैं। दैट इज़ द वन ऑफ द ओरल सोर्सेस। एंड मटेरियल सोर्सेस आर द थिंग्स वी फाइंड, जो चीज़ें हम लोग पुराने ज़माने में इस्तेमाल करते थे, कॉइन्स हो, पॉट्स हो, वॉट एवर द थिंग्स, द पेपर्स, द थिंग्स यूज फॉर राइटिंग, वॉट एवर द थिंग्स, दैट आर ऑल द मटेरियल थिंग्स. So from this we can try to understand what the history of the ancient period we have, even the medieval period of our history, medieval history. So this is what it is mentioned in this book. In this study we are going to study the post independence era, means after the independence what are the things has come in change, what are the things are in change after the independence. We study history with the help of various sources, that is written sources, material sources, oral sources and the sources of the audio visual medium. Audio, that is only you can hear the things. Visual, that is the things are shown to you. This is also one medium we came to know after the post independence era. Okay, we have to take note of the various sources at the regional, state, national level as well as the international level पे हमें ये पता चलता है. We can write history with the help of these sources. With the help of these sources we can write the history. Now see the written sources. The following sources are included in written sources. These are some of the written sources. They are shown in say with the help of these things we can say they are all the in written sources. Now newspaper is that, periodicals, that is the magazines and all, डायरीज, डेली रिकॉर्ड्स, मतलब यहाँ पे डेली रिकॉर्ड्स वगैरह रखे जाते हैं पहले के ज़माने में. रेफरेंस बुक्स, रेफरेंस उससे रिलेटेड बुक्स, रेफरेंस बुक्स मीन्स करस्पॉन्डेंस थिंग्स. Document in the archives. There is a collections of the books and all. You can get material related to history and all. Government gadgets. Government का gadgets मतलब उसकी चीज़ें, you can come to know after that part of the lesson. Postage stamps and encyclopedia. These are all the written sources of the history. Now see, do you know the place where historical documents are preserved is called as archives? What is that archives? It is a place where the historical documents, the things related to history, the ancient, medieval, everything history, the things, the documents are preserved over there, and that is called as archives. The main office of the National Archives of India is at New Delhi. The main office कहाँ पे है? न्यू दिल्ली में है. And it is the largest among the archives in the Asia. मतलब एशिया में जितने कंट्रीज इन्वॉल्व है उससे सबसे ज़्यादा दिस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ऑफ द आर्चिव्स इन इंडिया. ओके, जस्ट एज न्यूज़पेपर्स आर कंसिडर्ड द फोर्थ पिलर of democracy in the modern period, there are also major medium of information. Means newspaper is considered as the fourth pillar, अपना चौथा पिलर माना जाता है, because written sources, oral sources and material sources के अलावा ये जो है न्यूज़पेपर एक और एक ज़रिया है of the fourth pillar of the democracy in the modern period. There are also major medium of the information. इसके अलावा there are many other major medium. If we consider the period from 1961 to 2000, we see that in the beginning there are no alternate to the print media, especially newspaper. With liberalizations and widespread use of internet in India, an alternate for print media became available. At the print media still continue to be powerful. मतलब पहले के ज़माने में only newspaper was there. This was the only source we can have. We can say 1961 to 2000 we see that the beginning there was no alternative for the print media. मतलब newspaper के लिए कोई और alternative नहीं था. We used to get news through this also. Newspaper लोग पढ़ते थे और उससे न्यूज़ इकट्ठा करते थे. बट नाउ there is a vast difference of modernization and liberalizations and all. इसकी वजह से कि हम लोग इंटरनेट से काफ़ी सारे नॉलेज मिलते हैं. हमें एक्टिविटीज सब पता है, डे टू डे अपडेट होते रहते हैं. उसके बारे में सारी दुनिया में जो कुछ खबरें होती, जो भी हलचल होती है, वी कम टू नो विद इन सेकेंड्स. With liberalizations and the widespread use of the internet in India, an alternate for print media become available. Yet the print media still continue to be powerful. इसके बावजूद भी print media में, that is the newspapers, are still powerful because nowadays also the people are reading the newspaper to get the informations. See the newspapers. Through newspapers we can get information about national and international affairs, politics, arts, sports, literature and social and cultural affairs. Newspapers contain matters related to human life. Most national newspapers have started their regional editions. They publish supplements that give information about various topics, newsletters of various movements, and the lists of weeklies of political parties. Monthly and annual magazines are important among the print media. So we are talking about the newspaper. So through the newspaper we get information about the national and the international affairs. मतलब देश विदेश में जो भी घटनाएं घटते, we get the news from this newspaper. We even get the politics, come to know about the politics also, even about the arts, sports, literature, whatever the field we have, we all come to know about that through the newspaper. Newspaper contain matters related to human life also. Human life से related कुछ चीज़ें बदलाव आते तो humans में क्या effect लाता है. जैसे कोई बजट वगैरह पास किया जाता है तो आम जनता पर क्या असर होता है, क्या नहीं होता है. व्हाट आर द न्यू थिंग्स अगर इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाता है तो व्हाट आर द चेंजेस इन द ह्यूमन लाइफ, दैट इज ऑल ऑल्सो मेंशन ओवर द न्यूज़पेपर. They publish supplements that gives informations about the various topics. तो लोग अपने supplements में मतलब extra जो ये भी एडिशंस भी प्रिंट करते हैं. ओके, दिस न्यूज़पेपर्स आर ऑल्सो इन द रीजनल लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो. हर एक लैंग्वेज में था. वी कैन फाइंड इन महाराष्ट्र मराठी भी है, हिंदी भी है, इंग्लिश भी है. वी कैन फाइंड अदर लैंग्वेजेस ऑल्सो. If those who are not able to read English or Hindi, they can get their newspaper in their own mother tongue. तो इस तरह रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में भी न्यूज़पेपर्स के पब्लिश किए जाते हैं. टू रीच द वास्ट पीपल, बहुत लोगों के इससे क्या खबरें वगैरह पहुंचती है. न्यूज़ लेटर्स ऑफ वेरियस मूवमेंट्स, द डायलिसिस एंड वीकलीज, मतलब दिन में जो होता है, हफ्तों में जो होते हैं, वो अबाउट द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एंड ऑल. मंथली जो अपडेट होते हैं, कुछ एनुअल का अपडेट्स भी उसमें होते. सॉरी. Some newspaper produce special supplements towards the end of the new year, and that take an overview of the important events of the year. Such supplements help us to understand the important events of the year. तो व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग, सम न्यूज़पेपर प्रोड्यूस अ स्पेशल सप्लीमेंट, एक स्पेशल सप्लीमेंट वो लोग प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, देते हैं लोगों को, जिसमें साल भर जो भी घटनाएं घटी है, वॉट एवर हैपन फ्रॉम जनवरी 1st टू टिल द December 31st, वॉट एवर द इवेंट्स हैज टेकन प्लेस, वॉट आर द चेंजेस, वॉट हैपन, changes in the politics levels and all, modernization, industrialization, everything that is all mentioned over that thing. तो एक साल भर में जो कुछ होता है ये सब चीज़ क्या है, हमें वो जो एक सप्लीमेंट वो प्रोवाइड करते, कुछ हर एक न्यूज़पेपर नहीं प्रोवाइड करते, कुछ प्रोवाइड्स करते जिसमें सारे साल भर का वो इसमें मेंशन किया जाता है. Such supplement helps to understand the important events of the year. साल भर में जो भी इवेंट्स हुए इससे उनको मदद से पता चलता है. Now Press Trust of India, that is PTI. After 1953, the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primary details of all important events and of articles of the important subjects. तो 1953 में Press Trust of India that was discovered, इन्वेंट ये किया गया था, and that gave the important source of primary details of all important, और जो भी important events होते हैं उसके बारे में complete details दिया जाता है about every important subjects. Press Trust of India has provided reports, photographs and the articles of the financial and the scientific issues of the to newspaper. Okay, this gives reports दिया जाता है, photographs दिए जाते हैं, articles और financial आर्थिक स्थिति से रिलेटेड साइंटिफिक इश्यूज, साइंसेस में, साइंटिफिक में क्या क्या चेंजेस है, साइंस एंड ऑल टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या क्या चेंजेस, दैट इज ऑल वी कम टू नो फ्रॉम द न्यूज़. PTA has now started its own online service. Now it has started its own online services also. During 1990s, PTA started using the satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprints to send news all over the कंट्री. मीन्स दे स्टार्टेड सैटेलाइट ब्रॉडकास्ट, जिससे आपको टेक्नोलॉजी से ये ऑनलाइन आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. द टेलीप्रिंटर्स टू सेंड द इंस्टेड ऑफ टेलीप्रिंटर्स. ओके, दिस मटेरियल्स इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर राइटिंग द हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया एंड दिस मटेरियल हैज हेल्प टू राइट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द मॉडर्न इंडिया. Among the print media, the information contained in the annual issues of the publication divisions of the Government of India is authentic and trustworthy. Means among the print media, whatever the information is given to us in the annual issues of the publication, that is authentic. That is authentic मतलब real है, इसमें कोई fake news वगैरह नहीं. And trustworthy मतलब उसके पर हम विश्वास रख सकते हैं. For example, Information and the Broadcasting Department published India 2000, an annual reference book. This reference book is created under Research, Reference and Training Department. मतलब वो जो बुक पब्लिश किया जाता है उसको भी रिसर्च किया जाता है, उसके बारे में when before printing that thing is checked that is authentic. उसको चेक अच्छी तरह से किया जाता है before it is published, ताकि वो ऑथेंटिक सच्चाई लोगों के सामने ला सके, उसके ऊपर लोग विश्वास करते. क्योंकि न्यूज़पेपर में जो भी छपता है, न्यूज़ में जो भी आता है, लोग क्या है विश्वास कर लेते कि ये बात ऐसे. तो बिफोर डूइंग दैट तो लोग ये पहले ऑथेंटिसिटी देखते, चेक करते हैं कि कितना ऑथेंटिक है, वो कितना सच्चाई उसमें है. It contains useful information about the land, its people, national emblems, political system, defense, education, cultural events, and an account of the development in the fields of science and technology, environment, health and family welfare, social welfare, media, of mass communication, along with the basic data related to the economics, finance, planning, agriculture. See, these all things it has been covered from that. आप just go through this paragraph, you will come to know कि कितने सारे information we can collect from this. It contains useful information about the things in land, people, everything. Okay, national emblem also, political system जो country में चल रहा है, what is the political systems, अपने defense कैसे work करता है, how defense work, what are the rules and all regulations, everything, education, things related to education, cultural events and all, even the technology, environment, everything, family welfare, everything is covered by this thing. commerce, transport, communications, labor, housing, laws and status, youth and sports department. Everything means it covers almost all the parts of the all the fields, and you can get the knowledge through this. It is possible for us to write history with the help of such information. इस सारे information से we can write the history of the with this help. See, this is the website www.publicationsdivisions.nic. Okay. See, we will become the postage stamps now. The postage stamps don't reveal anything on their own, yet an historian makes them speak. There have been several changes in the postage stamps since India became independence. Postage stamps reveal a lot of us about the changing times due to the variety in the size of the stamps and the novelty of their subjects and color scheme. Means postage stamps तो अभी mostly it has been somehow वैनिशिंग वी कैन से दैट, पर ये पोस्टेज स्टैम्प्स पहले बहुत इस्तेमाल किया जाता था. ओके इसमें एक स्टूडेंट्स मतलब कोई पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स का भी फ़ोटो होते थे उसमें स्टैम्प में. इवन अदर्स थिंग्स ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू द हिस्ट्री एंड ऑल. इंडिया का इंडिपेंडेंस से पहले से लेके अभी तक का जो भी है वी कैन फाइंड इट. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि कौन सा टाइम में ये स्टैम्प्स बनाए गए थे, कौन से काल में, इन विच ईयर. इट हेल्प्स टू नो अस थिंग. ओके पोस्टेज स्टैम्प्स रिवील अ लॉट ऑफ अस अबाउट द चेंजिंग टाइम. इससे हम लोग को ये भी पता चलता है बहुत पहले स्टैम्प किस तरह का इस्तेमाल होते थे, उसके बाद किस तरह का, उसके बाद किस तरह. एंड एज द time passes, what are the changes that have been brought up in the stamp systems that we all come to know through this when you watch the stamps and all. The color schemes also. Okay, the postal department issue postage stamps on wide variety of themes like political leaders, flowers, animals, birds and event, or the silver, golden, diamond, jubilees, or sanitary, bisanitary. Okay. Tear sanitary of the different events. It therefore is a valuable repository of the history. Okay. तो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? There are varieties of themes. उसमें varieties of themes you can find on the post this one stamps and all. Okay, political leaders, pictures of political leaders, flowers, animals, birds, or any special event, or it is or the silver, golden, whatever it is. From that we can come to know about the knowledge about the stamps, what type of stamps were used, and what during what period. Okay, now I am going to stop over here. The next portion will be completing the other part of the history about the material sources and the oral sources, everything. Okay, bye, see you in the next lecture.